All right, we're back on this Bolt EV. So I'm gonna go through pricing and charging and billing. So far, what I've found out, I already looked up the price of prices and labor, and I'll go over this with you. We are going to go over the software. This one right here, CYTC, and you can get a free download and a 30-day trial. It is available through your app. Cancel? No, can't sign in with that on. Hold on. Lost my fingerprint. Come on, open up. There we go. All right, so here's the Chevy Bolt. I already did the optical and I scanned the VIN number, and it got all the information by scanning the VIN number. Opened it up, and the receiver dryer was 2.9 hours at $185 an hour labor rate. That comes out to $536.50. The diagnosis, 1 hour diagnosis for leak test, $185. The evaporator is under the dash. Evaporator is 8.2 hours by the software at $185 an hour. That comes out to $15,017 with a grand total in labor $2,238. The parts, the evaporator, $167. The dryer, $62. We come up to $229 some change. Then to recharge it, after the parts have been installed, the recharge it labor 1.4 hours at $185 is $259, plus the YF refrigerant, 720 or 750 grams, I can't remember, comes out to $330, total of $3,058. So if we go over here, you go into the program, we're going to look for parts, we're going to say evaporator, and it got it that time. So we look at it, it'll open up, and so here's the evaporator core, and here's our billable hours right there, 8.2 hours. Here's the part number, and here's the price. And then if you want more breakdown, let's see if they give, where is, nope. There was a, I lost it now. I wanted to find, dang it. Now on my phone, it was really easy. It gave an option for having a exploded view with pictures, figures. Let's see, go try that again. Evaporator. Search. Now when I was in my phone, I didn't have to do that second thing, evaporator core. So we go to evaporator core. Shouldn't have to look in a separate place. So there's your evaporator core. This is not the exploded view. Where is the exploded view? Evaporator drain case, expansion valve, blower module, HVAC case, under dash. Well, you guys get the idea. So Chevy Bolt 2017, that's the repair price for a leaking evaporator.